Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is, what is it? Well, it's like a 3D figure, and watch when you press on the sides. It turns 2D just like that. So it's like a spiral variation that I just came up with. See? And this is how you reload it. So you just overlap one segment, and you can do something like that. And alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Okay, and fold to the crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now keep this side up, and let's fold this into 8. So fold in half. And fold to the crease. What are you doing? Okay. And unfold, and fold to the last crease. So yeah, we're dividing into 8. Okay, and fold to the nearest crease. Oh my god. There, not right now. Okay, and now fold to the nearest crease. Okay, and rotate and fold this edge to here. And unfold and fold to this crease. Okay, so here we divided it into 8, see? And now we're going to turn over on this side. So this is the side with the crease. And we're going to fold this up, so this point touches this crease, and the fold originates at the middle point right there. Alright, here, I guess I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. Unfold, and we're just gonna do that all the way up with these creases. And on here, pinch the crease, and fold it on this point, and this point should touch this crease. Alright, and crease that. You probably can't really do it sharply, well, I guess you can. And just do that all the way up. Okay, the last one, same thing. Fold this point to the edge and originate it at the point. Like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And now we're going to rotate on this side. So there's our diagonal creases, and we're going to repeat that on this side too. So we're going to take this point, fold this point to the crease, and anchor the fold at the middle point right there. And now use these creases and make a series of them going all the way up, just like we did just now, before. Alright, just like that. Alright, now all the pre-creases are done, and now we're going to collapse it. So what we're going to do is, this is actually the fun part, or the interesting part of the model. We're going to just reform all these creases at the same time. So we'll start with this side. So fold on that fold, and we're just going to make these pleats all the way around. Like this. And this is actually kind of fun to do, kind of satisfying. Alright, so we have something like this, and at this point you can actually just place it down like this, and just, you can make these folds sharp. Just using your fingernail and just creasing them sharply. So we have nice strong folds, and it'll make the model look cleaner. There you go, that's good enough. So that side's done, and now we're gonna collapse this side. Just fold on the creases. Like this. Alright, and you can crease them sharply, like from this side. Alright, and we are done. So there it is. So this is the 2D part right here, and to make it 3D, you hold it like this, and you just overlap one segment. I really don't think it matters how you do it. Just overlap one segment like that. See? And then you're at this kind of thing right here. This actually looks pretty cool. It's like a 3D spiral looking thing. And this can actually be like a container too. You can open it up and stick something in there. Close it up as a gift. So you just push the two sides and it turns 2D like that. That's a really cool action. Yep. Yeah, it doesn't really matter how you overlap one segment. Just overlap one segment. And boom, you just press those two sides and it instantly gets 2D. It's a really nice fidget toy. I really like this model. See, it's getting kind of addicting. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, hope you guys were able to fold this and enjoy playing with it. And if you did manage to fold it and make it do this, I'd like to see demo videos of it. And yeah, and post it in the comments below so I can see it. Alright, hope you guys like this model. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.